Most pool cleaning business owners get this wrong. They spend hours searching for the perfect CRM, only to end up with software that creates more work instead of saving time. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM is not necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you schedule jobs faster, keep customers happy, and get paid on time. In this video, I'll show you what to look for in a pool cleaning CRM in 2026, the features that actually matter, and which platforms stand out for different types of businesses. Let's get straight into it. Run a pool cleaning company. Your CRM should handle 4 core tasks. First, customer management. Second, scheduling and route optimization. Third, invoicing and payments. And fourth, recurring service management. If your software struggles with any of these, it can slow down your entire operation. Take Alex for example. He manages 120 weekly pool service customers. Without recurring scheduling, he spends hours manually creating appointments. With the right CRM, those visits are automatically scheduled weeks or even months in advance. But here's the problem. Many business owners focus only on price. A cheaper CRM that wastes 2 hours per day can actually cost far more than a premium tool that automates routine work. This is where most people fail. They don't think about growth. A CRM that works for 20 customers may become a headache when you reach 200 customers. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best CRM options in 2026 usually include mobile apps for technicians, automated customer reminders, digital estimates, online payments, and detailed reporting. These features reduce missed appointments and improve customer communication. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between different CRM platforms. First, ask yourself 3 questions. How many technicians do you have? Do you offer recurring maintenance plans? Do you need advanced reporting and automation? If you're a solo operator, simplicity matters most. You need fast scheduling and easy invoicing. If you manage multiple crews, route optimization, technician tracking, and automated workflows become much more important. Here's a quick win. Before committing to any CRM, test the mobile app. Your office staff may love the desktop version, but if technicians struggle in the field, productivity drops immediately. But here's another challenge many owners overlook. Customer experience. Modern customers expect appointment reminders, digital invoices, online payments, and fast communication. A CRM that improves customer convenience can directly increase retention and referrals. So what's the best CRM for pool cleaning businesses in 2026? The answer depends on your size, budget, and growth goals. Focus on recurring scheduling, route management, invoicing, automation, and mobile usability. Those features deliver the biggest return on investment for most pool service companies. The key takeaway is simple. Don't choose a CRM based on hype. Choose the one that saves time, improves customer service, and supports future growth. If this video helped you narrow down your options, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the CRM you're considering for your pool cleaning business in 2026.